Hi everyone, so today I'll be speaking to you about profit maximization. What is profit maximization? It's just a financial objective that aims at increasing the profit making of a company, of a business to the highest level possible. Now, another easy way to increase the profitability of your business is to improve on your customer service. Understand that a returning customer buys 22% more at the second purchase. And also know that one customer is equals to 20 customers. Word of mouth. Word of mouth is very powerful. If I had a bad experience, I got in, everybody was nasty, they made me wait for long, I couldn't make payments, or there was just something frustrating me at every point. If someone wants to buy, it's one of two things. I tell the person I don't remember where I got it from because I don't even want to mention your brand name. There are different ways to cut down costs depending on the size of your organization, depending on your activities. But one way to increase the profitability of your business is to cut down on expenses. Cut down on expenses however you can. Expand your customer base. How do you do this? Advertise more. Try to get new customers. When you have new customers, you sell more products. And when you sell more products, you make more money.